If you have clicked on this video, chances are you are a hungry and aspiring entrepreneur who's been obsessed with AI for the past 3 to 6 months, and maybe that's because you're smart enough to know a life-changing opportunity when you see one. You've been searching desperately for a way to make money and build businesses with AI, but all you've found are gimmicky and unsustainable loopholes pushed by people who have never made a dime with any of them. If this describes you, then what I'm about to explain to you will change your life, just as it's changed mine. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the AI business model that I discovered. I've been doing online business for the past 4 years, but for the past few months, my focus has been specifically on AI. I recognize the huge potential of AI technology, but struggled to figure out where the average entrepreneur like you and I could build a profitable and, more importantly, long-lasting business. In this video, I'm going to be explaining why starting an AI automation agency is by far the biggest and most beginner-friendly opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs to transition from AI spectators, as 99% of you are right now, to an active participant in the AI arena, building real businesses, making real money, and building real skills. What I'm not going to do is sit here and sell you a get-rich-quick scheme, creating an online business that grants you complete financial and location. Freedom takes time, effort, and sacrifice, and there is no way around that. All you can really try to do to make it easier is to select the right business model at the right time when competition is low and emotions are high. First things first. Why is the AI automation agency model the next big thing in online business? And why is it the best on-ramp for entrepreneurs looking to get into AI to start building businesses and making money? As you have clearly already figured out, AI is the next world-changing technology of our lifetimes. It joins a long line of revolutionary technologies from the wheel to steam power to electricity that have completely changed the lives of those who witnessed their wrath and creation. In our lifetime, we've witnessed 2 of these things. Firstly, the creation of the World Wide Web journey .com boom in the late 90s and early 2000s. And secondly, the smartphone revolution of the 2010s. Both of these technologies have fundamentally changed the way we live our lives. Right now, we are in the early stages of the AI revolution, which has the potential to cause a complete transformation of the way our world functions. And you know what? As soon as you're outside of that hype bubble, these patterns are not even that hard to analyze. Better yet, I've already done it for you. The best way for the aspiring entrepreneur with little to no skills or money to make money with AI or any emerging technology is to facilitate the adoption of it and help businesses to apply that technology. Still confused? Stick with me. When the World Wide Web took off, smart entrepreneurs built web development companies to help businesses build in online prisons. When smartphones took off, smart entrepreneurs built app development companies to help businesses build their own apps. When social media took off, smart entrepreneurs built social media marketing companies to help businesses to build the social media presence and drive sales from it. And so 10 years from now, what are people going to be saying? When artificial intelligence took off, smart entrepreneurs built AI automation agencies to help businesses integrate AI technology. Do you see the pattern? So I know what you're thinking. What in the hell does an AI automation agency actually do? To simplify it, down an AI automation agency as a type of business that focuses on integrating AI technology into businesses. This can take many forms depending on the structure of your AAA and the kind of niche you're working in. But services are typically aimed at automating processes, boosting productivity, and ultimately increasing profits. Service delivery itself can actually be done with no-code or low-code tools like Zapier for automations or BotPress and Stack AI for AI chatbots, meaning that even people without a development background can start an AI automation agency. Starting an AI agency doesn't require a massive investment or advanced technical skills. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Identify a niche focus on industries where AI can make a significant impact. For instance, retail businesses can use AI for personalized recommendations, while healthcare providers might need AI-powered scheduling tools. 2. Learn low-code. Tools platforms like BotPress, Stack AI, and Zapier allow you to create solutions without extensive coding. Mastering these tools is key to delivering services efficiently. 3. Build a portfolio. Start small by offering free or discounted services to a few clients. Use these projects to showcase your capabilities and build trust. 4th, market your services. Leverage social media, cold emails, and networking events to reach potential clients. Highlight how your AI solutions can save them time, reduce costs, and boost profits. Scale your business. As you gain experience, expand your services, hire team members, and invest in advanced tools to take on larger projects. Right now, competition for selling AI automation services is basically zero. If you are reading this right now, you have a huge early mover advantage that shrinks by the day. Where we are right now with AI automation agencies in the end of 2024 is equivalent to SMMA in 2017. It is completely untapped. Many of those who got into SMMA early made millions of dollars. 99% of those who start today will never make a dime. Why? Saturation. Today, business owners are bombarded with offers for marketing services from all angles. And for the past few years, it has been a race to the bottom on price for even the veterans of the industry. What makes the AI automation agency model so lucrative and so beginner-friendly right now is that businesses have never been offered these services before. It is a completely fresh offer. These businesses have no clue what AI can do for their business or how they can integrate it, but there's nothing that sounds sexier to a business owner than, hey, I have a robot who can do things faster for longer and to where higher standard than your current employees. For business owners, the benefits of AI are transformative. Here are some practical applications. Automating customer support. AI chatbots can handle common queries, freeing up staff for more complex tasks. Optimizing marketing campaigns. Use AI to analyze data and create targeted ad campaigns. Improving inventory. Management. Predict demand trends and reduce waste with AI-powered forecasting tools. With this model, right now, someone with zero sales experience can call DM a business and end up closing that sale because this offer is so untapped right now. At my agency, we specialize in helping business owners unlock the full potential of AI. Whether you're struggling with inefficiencies, aiming to boost customer engagement, or looking to scale your operations, we're here to provide affordable and effective AI solutions. I would love nothing more than having more hands on deck to spread this message. And so to you, the hungry, aspiring AI entrepreneur, your search is over. I have just presented to you a business model with zero startup costs, a beginner-friendly learning curve, a completely untapped market. My hope is that you take this opportunity as your on-ramp into AI, from a spectator as you are now to a participant in the AI arena, building real businesses, making real money, and building real skills. If instead you politely pass on this opportunity and continue on as you are, it's no big deal. Who knows, maybe the next YouTube video you watch will be the one you're looking for.